how to sign up as a Lyft driver step by step. So first of all, let's open our Lyft application, and in here make sure you're logged into your account. Then from here you can tap on the profile icon right here. Then from here, if you scroll down a bit, you can see settings, tap on that one, and in here tap on drive with Lyft. So after doing that, here you'll need to select your city, and after selecting it, simply tap on this button right here. And then after doing that, you'll need to agree to all of the terms and conditions, so tap on I agree. And then from here you will be required to install a driver Lyft application on your phone. So simply tap on get the driver app, then it will lead us to our app store or your Play Store, and then from there you'll need to install the application. So after installing the application, simply open the app, and then you can get on the further process of how you can sign up yourself as a Lyft driver. So there might be all of the requirement of your background checking, your driver license and insurance card and everything. So make sure to fill up all of the information and all of the required documents. Then you can submit it. If a Lyft approves all of your documents, then you will successfully be hired as a Lyft driver, and that's it.